In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot WordPress memory limit issues. If you've ever encountered an out-of-memory error on your WordPress site, you'll know how frustrating it can be. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to resolve this by increasing the memory limit allocated to your WordPress installation. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can get your website back up and running smoothly. First, you need to access your site files. There are a couple of ways you can do this. One of the most common methods is using an FTP client such as FileZilla. Alternatively, many hosting providers offer a file manager directly through their hosting control panel. If you choose the FTP method, open up FileZilla and enter your login credentials to connect to your website server. Once connected, look for the root directory of your WordPress site. It's often labeled as public_HTML. If you're using a hosting provider's file manager, you'll also want to navigate to this root directory. Once you're in the root directory, the next step is to locate a specific file named wp-config.php. This is a configuration file crucial for the management of your WordPress site, containing important settings. To edit this file, open it up in a text editor. There are many text editors available, such as Notepad++ or Sublime Text, which are widely used for this kind of task. When you open the wp-config.p file, you'll see a series of lines of code. Now, let's adjust the memory limit. You'll need to add a specific line of code in this file. Scroll down until you find the section that says /*. That's all. Stop editing. Happy blogging. */ You'll want to paste the following line of code right before this section. Define WP memory limit, 256 M. What this does is set the memory limit for your WordPress site to 256 megabytes, which should be sufficient for most websites. If you're addressing a persistent memory error, you might start with a lower limit, like 128 M, and then increase it incrementally if needed. Once you've added this line, make sure to save the changes you've made in the text editor. The final step is to upload the modified wp-config.php file back to your server. If you're using an FTP client, you can do this by simply dragging the updated file back into the root directory where you found it, overwriting the old file. If you're using your hosting provider's file manager, you might need to select an option to upload or replace the existing file. Congratulations, you've now successfully increased the WordPress memory limit. This should resolve any associated errors and help maintain the smooth performance of your site. Remember, addressing memory issues is a common part of managing a WordPress site, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps if necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.